Hey, how's everyone doing today? As well. So today was a rough day, a really hectic day. Um, I made a mistake, really bad mistake. I was greedy, which is bad. So I didn't stick to the plan after already like analyzed the fall in it. So you see in the later video today. All right. So start off with the daily. Start off with the daily. We see that price wants to, or is it? Yeah, we see that price had a bearish yesterday. So we thought that, okay, price was just gonna retrace back up, and that's what it did today. So we set our lows and highs. Price already had made this low earlier today. You see in the 4 hour. And we also had this news. Today was so we had these news. We had the final this. We had the final GDP. Yeah. So we actually went over 2.3. So that means we put in food for currency. So we were going to go bullish today. Um, that's majorly what happened today with the economic news. Nothing too bad. So next thing we saw was that we go to the 4 hour. We see that price again, marker the highs and lows. I marked out this London session low. I also marked out this New York session high. This was the, if I'm not mistaken, this was the economic news right here. Oh, this one that gave us the movement that price is gonna go all the way up. I didn't trade that because it didn't look good to me, and I didn't want to be risking anything too big. We went to the 1 hour. Then after that, we see this liquidity sweep here. We see this reversal price goes all the way up. Then we come hit New York, come back, retrace away, back up. And yeah, so that's what we basically did for our high time frames market now. So next thing we did was that we went to the 15 and saw that for this limitation, we saw that price had already reversed on this and all the way back up. And it's strong reversal. This was the strong reversal at 8:30. This was the economic news data that gave us the strong reversal to go short for a little while before catching a reversal back up. So essentially, well, that means was that we had this imbalance here. Price needed to get a lot of buy orders so it can fill back this imbalance here, and that's what we did today. So the mistake, it lies around here. Marking my order block at my breaker block in the 15 minute. Then went to the 5 minute. I marked a lot. I saw a lot of my confluences today. So went to my 5 minute, saw this order block. I also saw this breaker block going up because this was I like to mark up the 15 minute one and the most recent one. So we saw this. I saw a price that was gonna come back and retreat back into my breaker block or into the original 15 minute break order block. So that being said, I just had this 935. Oh, let's go back to 15 minute. 935 fair value gap that allowed us to see this right here. This 15 minute fair value gap that allowed us to see a bullish way up. I was expecting that price was gonna go lower and like lower to break London session lows, but it didn't do that after I saw this inverse high fair value gap. waited for price to come down. It now started to reverse. Broke this high. We had the breaker structure here. And kept on moving to the upside. So I used this fair value gap just to adjust it a little bit to fit in this very fair value gap. And yeah, I also saw the breaker block and the fair value gap were intersecting right here at the 50% mark. So that was a clear entry for me, to be honest with you. I don't know last minute before I was about to put in the trade. I just decided that I wanted to be greedy and move my entry position down to the original order block here. And when I saw that price had already left around here, so there's no way that price is gonna come back. And I didn't want to move any details anymore because I didn't want to set my high or low above what I had originally put. So I just went with the flow. It happens, especially when you start out and think that you are having a decent win rate, but it humbles you. So yeah, with that being said, we actually missed it. We didn't get to enter the trade at all. Because if you guys can see right here, let me go to 1 minute. The 1 minute. I was watching this live on the 1 minute when I saw that price left me. The price did have I had 2 minutes shortly before price left the train. So right here was my entry. I was about to enter here. Price was made the retracement here. I wanted to enter at the order block zone, but I had not seen the confirmation of this fair value gap, so I couldn't have entered here. I thought price was going to go all the way down to balance this out and just move up, but that didn't happen. So should have just entered at this breaker block and just went all the way. So that was a really valuable lesson I learned today. So today was kind of really short. Hopefully Friday we're gonna take some shorts. Just keep this short movement down. If Asian session doesn't have a lot of volatility, we'll just keep on going down with that. So that being said, yeah, that's the end of today's recap. Yeah, have a good day. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.